That's our 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Let's go. Today I will use HK001 EoneBoss aftermarket Kia Hyundai keys and EoneBoss adapters to do the first function, generate the same part number smart key. Click here. You can see some notification about that. The notice is that we start part number from the 95440. We can support the NCF 29A1, 29A2, 29A2, 29A7AF. Okay, confirm. We need to choose the same outlook with the original one. Just same one. I will choose this one. Okay. Step 2, remove the PCB from the original key. I already removed that PCB from the original keys. Now, one thing more important is that we need to check the chip type on that and need to use the correct chip with our app. You can see here, this A7, this A7. Okay, next. Step 3, select the corresponding adapters or connect the key as shown in the diagram. We have two ways to do that functions. First of all, we can use the adapters. If you guys don't have our adapters, you can use the cables to solder on key PCB. You can see here, we will come with the one PCB like this and some cables like those color cables like this. You can follow those diagram to solder on key PCB. Okay. Next, hold 3 seconds to power on. Okay. Connect via Bluetooth. Okay, used to that to read the data here. Okay, you can see here some information about the original one. Okay, next. Okay, you can see here. Step 6. Replace a new key, then select the corresponding adapter or connect with key as shown in the diagram. This one is a EoneBoss aftermarket one. We also need to take off the battery. Okay, we take off. And then take out the original PCB here and put the EoneBoss or add aftermarket anything, any brand to do the generate. Okay, take out. I will put the EoneBoss here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's generate. Generating in progress. Do not move the key or disconnect. Do not exist. Okay. Now all steps done. We need to take out this aftermarket keys and then programming this key to this car.